When you land at Male Airport, you'll need to find the Siyam World desk in this entrance lobby. When you find them, they'll help take you to your transfer. Now this only applies if you've booked the domestic flight and speedboat. So we did need to check in again and go through security. We had about 2 hours to wait, so they took us to a lounge where we just had to wait. We had access to free drinks and some snacks, and a member of the Siyam World team called us up when our flight was ready. So the domestic flight was 30 minutes, and when you land at Mafaru Airport, you'll just need to pick up your baggage and someone will meet you outside. It's then a 15 to 20 minute boat ride to the island. So the boat ride is very choppy, so if you're not good with motion sickness or travel sickness, I wouldn't recommend that one. And then you start the check-in process and they take you to your room. So this is number 139 in Siyam World, Maldives. So this is the outside. You get some umbrellas here. This is your door. So when you come in, close the door. You just pop your key card in here for the electric. Look at that. You've got some light switches here for the lights. So the door's just here. You've got aircon, and then this is the view of the room. So I'll take you through here first. So here you have your coffee and some drinks. So I'll just open this up. You get some teas, English breakfast, brown sugars, and some other teas, coffee pods for your Nespresso machine here. And then you've got a kettle. You've got some glasses of water here, some bottles of water, sorry. They've given us a selection of fruit and apple juice and some wine for our honeymoon as a gift. We've got some peanuts. And then down here, you've got the mini bar, and he says it here, the mini bar is replenished once a day with consume items only. Additional requests will be charged to your account. So this is what you have inside. So we've got some ice filtered beer, blue ice. You've got some more smooth beer. You've got some white wine. You've got 2 Sprites, 2 Diet Cokes and 2 normal Cokes. Some, I think it's grape juice and orange juice. And then here you've got some milk, some little milk sachets. So close that. Oh, and some Toblerone, 2 Toblerones there. So that's your mini bar. Here, just check what's inside. Just some storage space. Some things. We've got a seating area here. And here you've got your TV. You've got, I think this is sofa, but it's pulled out in 2 and it can make like a spare bed. That's what it looks like. And here's the bed. They've given us some decorations for our honeymoon. Looks like that. We've got some sockets here, and we can control the fan on the top here. Up there, if you want the fan on. And then a nice reading switch there. Got telephone and then some more storage space. So on the other side, you've got space to put your luggage, some towels, and again the same cabinet on the other side. So here we have, oh, that's nice, the light turns on. We've got a lot of storage space here actually. So if I open this up, it looks like that. Got a lot of storage space. And then again, same here. So here you've got 2 robes. We've got some slippers, got a hairdryer, safe, a torch, and loads of hanging space for your clothes. Here we have some information about how often they change your bed linen and towels. So how do you make sure if you want your stuff washed earlier. This is how you do it. Just place the card on a pillow, and then your remote control's here. Okay, here we've got a mirror as well, which is always good to have a mirror. And here is your bathroom. So I'll just open this up. So it looks like this when you open it up. This is the view. So here we've got a nice sink, vanity space, places your toothbrush, charge your shavers. Now it's like half indoor, half outdoor. You can see like up there is indoor, but that's outdoor. So here we've got a nice bathtub here, and the ceiling's quite high. And then here we've got the outdoor shower. It's raining a bit at the moment, but if I was to show you, you've got no one looking into your shower space. Just like that. Then, if you don't want to take a shower indoors, you can take a shower. Sorry, if you don't want to take a shower outdoors, you can always shower indoors here. You've got some shower gel, conditioner, shampoo. So it looks like. Got some soap here, and here's the toilet with a hose and some tissue. And then here, just at the front, we've got some extra towels, some cotton pads, sanitary bag, dental kit, and cotton buds. So if you need any toiletries, that'll be here. And the good thing is that because it's outdoors, you can always just lock it, like at night, if you've gone out, to make sure no one can come into your room. So that's the bedroom and the bathroom. So if we go into the next space, this is like a lounge area, and you can always close this with these doors like this if you want to keep the cool air in. So you've got a lounge space here with some sockets on the side. You've got another remote for the smart TV and the air conditioning to your TV. So it's a nice space again. If you just want to chill out, you can close these curtains too. You can close those if you want. It's really a bit blacked out. And then finally, this is the space for the pool, the outdoor pool area. So if we go out, we can unlock these like that. And this is the space. So this is what it looks like outside. So here you've got your seating area here. If you want to have breakfast or just chill by the pool. You've got a cute lounge area. And those are the paddings for the lounge chairs, but it's raining at the moment. So if I just look at privacy, so it's closed off here, so no one can see you if you're in your pool, and it's closed off on that side too. I'll go around as well. It's all closed off. We've got neighbours here, but the villas aren't attached at all. We've got some nice plants. So here's the pool, and it's quite long. I don't know how deep it is, but I will confirm later. So it's quite a long pool, and then you've got access to the beach here. And I'll take you out so you can see. So it's got a sign making sure you're at the right villa, and this is what it looks like. So you've got some of those slide villas there, overwater slide villas there, and there's loads actually. So obviously as you come out, you can obviously see other people's pools, but I mean, it's really private because you've got like your garden closing it off, and it's quite private actually. So I'll just take you out a bit more. That's nice. It's really private. It's such a big island. I think it's actually the biggest island in the Maldives at the moment. So what it looks like. And they said it's really low capacity. It had over 1,000 guests this month alone, which is August. But now they're really quiet, so they've had to close a couple restaurants. But that's fine. And it's only a year old. They opened October 2021, so it's still very new. So that's what it looks like. So that is a beach villa in Siyam World, Maldives. So hope you enjoyed it. Bye. So this is what happened with the mouse. So one evening we noticed that there was a mouse in the bathroom. I just thought, okay, let's close the door and hope that it will just find its way out by the morning. The morning came, we opened the door and we realised there was loads of mouse droppings everywhere. It was chewing through all of our toiletries as well, and we noticed that the space was all closed off, so there was physically nowhere for the mouse to leave except via our room. So we then proceeded to call reception, who sent 3 men over with these giant sticks. They locked themselves in the bathroom, and there was a bit of screaming, a bit of smacking, bit of running around sliding. After about 10 minutes they came out, and maybe I was just silly to think that they would just catch the mouse and let it go free alive, but that wasn't the case here. They were holding it in, like wrapped in a tissue or a towel, and there was one man who said, look, like showed us his phone and showed us a dead mouse, and I didn't want to see that obviously, but I can just imagine how some people might be quite distressed by that. And it goes hand in hand with a few things I think went or could have been improved on the island. You can watch my other video where I stayed at an overwater villa with a slide, and just loads of things just went wrong for a room that was less than a year old, so please give that a watch. In spite of everything, I did have a wonderful time on the island. It was such a fun place to be at. There's so many activities for the entire family. It's the biggest island on the Maldives as of 2022, the end of 2022. So it should be on your bucket list if you decide to go. They're still improving the island. They're still building restaurants, fun activities. So you should check it out if you are coming to the Maldives.